Mike, Innovative Door. Good morning. We're going to show you this job's a year old. Okay, I was here this weekend. I'm going to show you this job's not even a year old, and we'll see what terrible job this guy did out here. Look at those hangs. That hang's supposed to be all the way down there. Okay. Number two, these were held up with tappers. I put in a 1/2-inch bolt to have mercy. Number three, look how twisted that track is from putting the hang all the way in the back, and the hang is also crooked. Number four, no kickers on the opener. Number five, rail rubber was not used on the door opener, so it's a clothesline. If that thing gets hooked or snagged on anything, it's over. Number six, this is a huge one. Photo eyes, way too high. These are above the 4 to 6 limit. That's bad news, especially if a child gets trapped under there. Whoever put that door and opener to be sued. And lastly, listen to the way this goes up. You can hear it. It's only a year old. This is why we use the hinges we use. Now listen to this. And you can see in the track the rollers are all chewed up because they did not use, or they did not bend out the horizontal here like I did. Listen to this. That's the crunching cable, and that's done because the hangs are wrong. And this is a brand new installation on a brand new house. Well, there's going to be a part 2, and we're going to show you how we fix this complete mess. 630-271-9343, Innovative Door. Smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and we're going to show you the way this should have been done the first time when we return on part 2. Thanks for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.